Now it's part 2. That was actually part 1. I'm sorry I didn't tell you. So, we are actually going to try to see what would happen to Cookie if I make a bee sound. So, Cookie was a black and white hamster in the first one. So, this is her. Say hi, Cookie. Hi. She loves people. She's very fat. Yeah. It's so cute. She's like a bunny guinea pig. So, ready, piggies? Up the piggy. Up the piggy. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Don't have panic attack. Just look at the camera. Don't have panic attack. Just look at the camera. It'll take like a few seconds. You're close enough. Okay, Piggy. Bee sound for you. She's scared already. Ready? Set. Oh, she got scared and kind of ran away. Come on, look. Look at the... She's panicking. She's panicking. It's okay. Oh, she does nothing, really. No. Piggy? Not even that. You okay? Can you tell people about your panic? There she goes again. Tell people about your panic attacks. Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh, she's having it. If you scratch her, like, softly or anything, she just gets panicky. Her little mouth actually does stuff. Say hi! It's because I'm petting her backwards. See? She screams. She is okay. That's just normal for her. Me too. Say hi to Tamara. So cute. This one's really fat. Look. She's fatter than a tiger. Oh, Cookie, you're okay. Come on, baby. Don't eat my giblets. The little vampire guinea. People think it's weird to kiss a guinea pig. But look at it. It's so cute. And then it needs to get a panic attack. Okay, Pip. I'm going to calm her down. I'll show you how to calm down my pig. So, you see the piggy. You do this. She calms down. This is how I do it with her. She actually freaking calms down. It's so cute. What the crap, Piglet? Why do you calm down that way? Oh, sorry. I blacked out, kind of. You the pig. Hi, Panicky. Oh, that didn't work. You might want to do it making her lay down or sit. Piggy. Oh, she's less panicky. Tell everybody you're okay. I'm just a little guinea who has panics. It was pajama day at school, so I wore my pajamas and I still am. So everyone to Bill. So everyone to Bill. So everyone to Bill. So everyone the Bowie. Show everyone the buddy. Twerk. Most of this is just me talking about my guinea pigs. But that's okay. Oh, little bunny rabbit, calm down. Bunny rabbit, calm down. She's a guinea pig, but she acts like me. That's funny. Bye, see you later. Bye. I might make a part 3, so bye, see you later.